Travelers searching for incredible flavors, this is your guide to the best island cuisine. Whether you're exploring the best food in the Florida Keys, diving into Bermudian cuisine, or uncovering the best seafood dishes in the world, this video will take you on an ultimate food tour guide to the best local flavors. Some of these dishes are steeped in history, others are hidden gems, but one thing is certain: these meals will transform the way you experience travel. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you love travel and food content. It really helps us bring you the best insider tips. When it comes to food, not all experiences are created equal. Many travelers stick to hotel restaurants or tourist-friendly eateries, but the real magic is found in authentic, locally run spots. Tourist restaurants often tone down flavors to suit a wider audience, while local food is bold, rich, and deeply rooted in tradition. Instead of ordering the familiar, ask what the locals eat. This small decision can lead to some of the most memorable meals of your trip. The Florida Keys are known for their fresh seafood, and if you're searching for the best seafood dishes in the world, this is the place to start. Some must-try dishes include Key West pink shrimp, sweet, tender, and often served in garlic butter. Spiny lobster. Unlike Maine lobster, these are clawless but packed with rich, buttery flavor. Conch fritters, a true local favorite, made from deep-fried conch mixed with spices. For an authentic experience, skip the chain restaurants and find a local seafood shack where the catch of the day is straight from the ocean to your plate. Bermudian cuisine is a blend of British, Caribbean, and African influences, making it one of the most unique food scenes in the world. If you're on a Bermuda food tour, be sure to try Bermuda Codfish Breakfast, a hearty dish of salted cod, boiled potatoes, onions, and avocado, often served with warm Johnny cakes. Bermuda Seafood Specialties, from Rockfish to Wahoo seafood. Here is always fresh and flavorful. Bermuda traditional food. Try fish chowder with black rum and sherry peppers, a dish that's been a staple on the island for generations. For the best experience, visit local restaurants that have been serving these dishes for decades, where recipes are passed down through generations. If you want to see more food tours from destinations around the world, hit that like button and let us know where we should go next. Montego Bay is a must-visit destination for food lovers, offering some of the best seafood in Jamaica, along with authentic Jamaican cuisine. Jerk chicken, smoked over pimento wood and packed with fiery spices. Escovitch fish, a whole fried fish topped with pickled vegetables and Scotch bonnet peppers. Pepper shrimp, spicy, shell-on shrimp boiled in a fiery broth. If you're looking for the best places to eat in Montego Bay, head to the local jerk centers and seafood shacks where chefs cook over open flames, serving dishes packed with authentic island flavors. Island cuisine is more than just food. It's a reflection of culture, history, and tradition. Whether you're exploring Bermudian cuisine, the best seafood in Jamaica, or the best food in the Florida Keys, one thing is clear: the best meals come from local kitchens, not tourist menus. For more insider travel tips, check out our blog at allmyne.com and start planning your next food adventure. Ready to discover the world and share your experiences? Download the AllMyne app from the Apple Store or Google Play Store today. Let us know in the comments, which of these dishes are you most excited to try?